Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good today. I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful crochet bag strip here, and this is very simple and easy to make. I'm taking medium yarn, hook size 3.5 mm, and I'm taking the double yarn to make a thick strip here. If you want to make it single, it's totally your choice. Now I'm taking the yarn and I'll make 2 chains and half double crochet in next chain, one more half double crochet in next chain, one more half double crochet in next chain. There are total 4 half double crochet in number. Now chain 2, we'll turn the side, 3 half double crochet in next chains, chain 2, turn the side, 3 half double crochet in next chains. This is very simple and easy to make a beautiful crochet bag strip here. This is very simple and easy procedure, and we have to repeat the same procedure till our desired length. I hope you will like this video. And here is the final look of our strip. As you can see, this is so beautiful and so thick, so nice. We have to attach this strip in the other side by using slip stitch here. You can use any of your belt, or you can use this procedure or this pattern in any of your belt or bag strip or headband, anything you want to make. By using slip stitch, we are going to join the two sides, and here is our bag strip final look. I hope you will like this video, and please, if you are new on my channel. Please do subscribe, like and share it with your friends and family members who want to learn the crochet. And there are so many videos on my channel for the beginners as well. And for more videos, stay tuned, stay connected. Thank you so much.